Hold on to your hard-head, folks. You're in for a wild ride through the fascinating world of facility management. That's right, I'm talking to you. Facility coordinators, administrators, building supervisors, and even you new facility managers who dream about becoming the facility management Avengers of the industry. Now, let me take a wild guess. You're itching to climb the career ladder, transform into a superhero leader, foster a positive work culture, and keep your facility running smoother than a freshly oiled machine. But first, a quick pop quiz. Would you be dancing on the ceiling if you could gain expert knowledge of the facility management industry and its latest trends? Flying over the moon if you could acquire the essential skills to become the ultimate facility guardian? Leaping tall buildings in a single bound if you could expertly assess and address risks and liabilities tied to facility operations? Nail those superpowers, and you'll easily be able to craft and execute masterful facility management and improvement plans, become the Sherlock Holmes of preventive maintenance, boost your operational efficiency like a boss, and level up your project management and leadership prowess. But alas, every superhero faces challenges, and yours might just be juggling budgets and financial reports like a circus performer, playing musical chairs with never-ending tasks, wrestling with local and national regulations, and untangling the web of streamlined processes. Does that ring a bell? And let's not forget those pesky frustrations, the Bermuda Triangle of missing maintenance records, the air conditioning system, chasing your tail in a never-ending battle against time. Sound familiar? Are you also pondering these questions while soaring through your facility management journey? How can I banish imposter syndrome and gain unshakable confidence in my new role? Where can I find mentors or role models to guide me in my superhero transformation? What skills should I master to stay ahead in the facility management game? How can I stay in the loop with new regulations and standards? Moreover, are you haunted by these thoughts? I must become the ultimate expert in all areas of operations. I need a degree in facility management to survive. I'm too inexperienced to navigate this labyrinth of complexities. Trust me, I've been there, done that, and I've got the cape. And let's face it, it sometimes feels just like your colleagues, managers, or even your cat are plotting against you. You're stranded on a desert island with no support. Sabotage lurks behind every corner. But fear not, intrepid facility manager. I have the solution. My book, Facility Management for Beginners, the new facility manager's Quickstart guide to becoming a facility superhero. Unleash your inner superhero with tales of triumph from an author who climbed the ranks from zero to hero. The revelation that a degree isn't the end-all, be-all for success in this field. A clear understanding of facility management's scope and objectives, and also what it's not about. A crash course in air conditioning, electrical, security, and more. Real-life examples and stories to bring your superhero training to life. A guide to the qualities of a top-notch facility manager. A motivational boost to kickstart or revamp your facility management career. A competitive edge in the job market with the power of knowledge and expertise. A list of interview questions and answers to help you nail those job interviews and land your dream gig. By reading this book, you'll arm yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to conquer the world of facility management. You'll gain a sense of mastery and control over your career, positioning yourself for career advancement and higher earning potential. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your skills, facility management for beginners is the ultimate sidekick to provide you with a clear pathway to success in facility management. Don't miss this chance to unlock your full potential. Grab your copy of Facility Management for Beginners today and take flight toward becoming the facility superhero you were always destined to be. To obtain a copy of this book, click on the link below. There's also a link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.